Hello, this is Jamie. I am a children's librarian with Tacoma Public Library. I'm here today to give you a quick tour and an introduction to one of our databases, CultureGrams. CultureGrams is an excellent database for kids who are doing research projects on states and countries. If you can't make it into the library or we don't have the book that you were hoping to find, CultureGrams is an excellent alternative. In order to access this database, you will need a library card or a student ID number from Tacoma Public School District. You can also use an e-card. To get started, visit tacomalibrary.org. Once you're on our website, go up to the top where it says Online Library. The way I'm going to show you to get there right now is to click A to Z e-resources list. By clicking this list, you will see every resource that the library has. CultureGrams starts with the letter C, so I'm going to click the C right here to jump over here to the C's. CultureGrams is right here, and it does have that picture of the library card to remind you that you will need a library card. You'll see right here the description says, learn about the culture and customs of 200 plus countries of the world, the 50 United States, and the Canadian provinces. It includes photos, videos, and more. I'm going to go ahead and click CultureGrams to get started. This is where you would type in your library card number. It takes a little while to format for the screen. I know it looks a little strange, but it has all the information there for you that you need. When you start, you'll see 4 different tabs here. World Edition, States Edition, Kids Edition, and Provinces Edition. Provinces Edition would be where you would go if you need to do any research about Canada. Kids Edition shows you information about countries in a kid-friendly way, and States Edition shows you information about U.S. states, also in a kid-friendly way. World Edition goes into a lot more detail and is great for high school reports or for anyone who is just interested in lots of extra detail. Today I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick view of Kids Edition, and States Edition is formatted very similarly. So if you get a grasp for Kids Edition, you'll be fine navigating the others. So go ahead and click the Explore button and wait for it to format. There we go. Now right here you will see a map, and again the states version is formatted the same way, so you'll start with a map. You can select off of this map, or you can also select off of the text right here as well. So you can start with your continent. So I'm going to go ahead and do South America. And here's another option for the map. You can narrow it down. If you already know the name of the country you would like to explore, you can scroll down and find it right here alphabetically. Or you can click on the map. Once you are at the country that you would like to learn about, you'll see here on the left, it separates everything into categories. These are all common categories that are requested to be included in kids' reports for school as well. So it has lots of resources that you would often be able to find in a book, but you can find right here. And these are all fact-checked and real facts. So right here we have Brazil. It'll tell you a little bit about the land and climate, population, language. It'll also have some pronunciation tips right here as well. It gives you history, lifestyle, society, and culture, facts, and contacts. It also has a spot here about learn more. This will actually link you to an official website for that country. I'm going to go ahead and also show you some of the tabs up here at the top. I'll click slideshows. This is another way that you can search. You'll notice when I'm clicking these, it'll give me every single country. But this way, if you are just interested in one subtopic, you can go ahead and find it that way as well. So there's 2 ways you can find your photo and then your country, or you can go to the country and then the photo. I'm going to go back here to our home page of CultureGrams and show you real quick States Edition, formatted in a very similar way. Starts with the map or the 50 states right here if you would like to click those. And you'll see that it shows you a very similar format to what we just saw in the Country Kids Edition. I'm going to go ahead and go back here, and we'll show you a quick glance at Provinces Edition, formatted in the very same way. And again, World Edition goes into a lot more detail and is great for high school students or anyone who just wants some extra detail. If you would like any additional assistance with any of these websites and databases, please feel free to contact us. You can also save some information on here. That's an important thing for you to know as well. You can go ahead and move the window over here, and you'll be able to print a PDF, and you can also view a summarized report. That is a very nifty feature as well, so it's all in one space. If you'd like any additional assistance or guidance with this database, please reach out to the Tacoma Library and we would be glad to help you out. If you have any questions, we're always here for you. Thank you for learning about CultureGrams. Hope you enjoyed it.